to our Take and Bake program. My name is Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to make apple pie cookies. They are very easy to make and just perfect for the fall season. First, let's take a look at what's included in your bag. It is flour mix, butter, powdered sugar, apple mix, and apple. What you need to add is 2 eggs. It will be 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Now let's begin baking. The easiest way to make the cookie dough is to use a food processor. If you do not have one, you can do it by mixing the ingredients with your fingers. It will just take a little longer. I am going to use the food processor method. First, chop the butter into small pieces. Then, place the flour mix into the food processor bowl. Add the chopped butter. A whole egg. And an egg yolk. I'm going to use the remaining egg white for next day's scrambled eggs. So I'm going to save the egg white. And use just the yolk. Then mix until small balls of dough form. That should be perfect. Now use your hands to shape the dough into a large ball. Flatten the dough and put it into a parchment paper or plastic wrap, whatever you prefer, and place it in the fridge for about 1 hour. In the meantime, peel and quarter the apple. Then slice it thinly with the use of mandolin slices, food processor, or a knife, whichever you prefer. the apple mix and rub it well with the apple. Let it sit for a half an hour to 1 hour until the cookie dough is ready. Next, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line the baking sheet with parchment paper. Then, roll the dough into about 1/8 of an inch rectangle. It should be fairly thin. The dough should not be very sticky, but if it is, you can add a little bit of flour for dusting. I think mine is going to stick a little, so I'm going to add some. I personally like to roll a cookie dough with the parchment paper on top because it's cleaner and it sticks less. Right? It still needs a little bit of flour. Now it's much better. Doesn't stick anymore. Now I'm going to try to make a nice rectangle. My cookies will be square, but if you have a round cookie cutter that is not larger than 2 inches, then you can use it and have round cookies. Now I'm going to cut the cookie dough into squares. Okay. Then place the apples on half of the squares. Do not overfill. If you end up with a little bit of leftover apple, that's okay. It's better to leave some than overfill the cookies. Remember that these are cookies, not miniature pies. That should be plenty. And then cover the cookies with the second halves. Now press the cookies together with your fingers. You can cut the edges a little bit for a neater look. Then press the edges of each cookie with a fork. It will give them nice rustic look. And place them on the baking sheet. Now, make 2 slits on top of each cookie. This will prevent the water from staying within the cookie and the steam will evaporate properly. This is how they are supposed to look like. Then bake the cookies for about 20 to 25 minutes or until lightly golden. My cookies are ready and this is how they look like. Now, let them sit at room temperature for at least 1 hour to completely cool off. When the cookies are cool, use the strainer to sprinkle them generously with powdered sugar. Here are my cookies. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 days. If you need to store them longer, you can put them in the fridge for up to 1 week but they taste best at room temperature. This is it. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your cookies. Bye!